cute little duck mug with my slice of frozen lemon and water. Got our first audience member in. Let's go. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas look. I'm going to be doing a sparkly Christmas look using the collection Matte and Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow, which I bought before I went on holiday, which was in September, and it's now nearly December, and I still haven't tried it, and I'm really intrigued to see what it looks like and how it works. So I'm gonna do my eyes first, and then might do my foundation and everything off camera just because it's the same as what I normally do. So yeah, let's rock and roll. So I have just got moisturiser on. I put a fresh layer of fake tan on last night, which is the first time I fake tanned since I went on holiday, which crazy. I had a spray tan before I went to London, and then I just haven't fake tanned since because it's so cold. Well, it's not actually been that cold in the UK, but not warm enough to be in a dress. So I'm first going to start off by sorting my eyes out. So I'm going to take some concealers, and I'm going to just apply these onto my eyelid. So I film all my videos on my phone, so I have the iPhone 11, and just recently I've really noticed that the camera quality isn't as good as what it used to be. Like, things are kind of like having like flare like that, like what is this? And with Black Friday coming up, I'm kind of looking at a different phone to get because my contract runs out on Black Friday. But I find that phones are just so expensive unless you want a Samsung, which I'm an iPhone person. They're just so expensive, so I don't know what to do, but I'm kind of intrigued to see what the camera's like on the 13 Pro, but I've got a week to think about it, so we're not in a rush yet. I've just blended that out onto my eyelids, and I'm gonna go in with what eyeshadow? I'm kind of tempted to go in with my B one just because it's Christmas. We're doing a Christmas look, so I'm gonna do like a black smoky wing and then go in with this. Wish me luck. Okay, so get my tools. First, gonna go in with the shade So Shy, this colour here. Like, what is that? And just set that all over the eyelids. I love this palette. I always come back to it. I find that I just love it. Oh my god, why is this doing that? I don't know what is wrong with my camera, but we're just rolling with it. And then I'm gonna go firstly into the shade Delicious, which is this brown here, and I'm just gonna do a smoky wing. So starting off at the lash line and just dragging it outwards. This doesn't need to be really neat because it's going to be just pretty much blended out. And then blend that out. Okay, so now that I've got the shape, I'm going to go into the shade Goodnight, which is the black in the palette, and just go over where I put the first colour, so creating that V again. I find if you're not very good at doing eyeliner, but you kind of want to create that cat eye effect, then doing it with eyeshadow is always a good idea, because you can blend it out, or you can remove it easily and clear it up with concealer, and it doesn't kind of change. No, that's not the right word. It doesn't matter if it goes a little bit wrong, but it still kind of creates that really nice smoky eye. So I'm just kind of now building up the intensity. I'm gonna get a thinner, more like pencil-y brush and just kind of go in and blend the edges a little bit. Can you see? I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so I've done both sides, and as you can see, it's kind of a little bit sloppy at the side, so I'm going to take the brush that I used to do my concealer and just kind of clear up under there. I guess as well you could just get a makeup wipe, which I might actually do, so it's a little bit more sharp. But I just kind of look into the mirror and just clear that up so it's nice and sharp. Yeah, I think the best things to do is do it with a makeup wipe. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how they look. I might just deepen up this side a little bit more. Okay, right. Now for the star of the show. Just gonna tie my hair up. So this is the product that I'm gonna be using. It's from Collection, and I got the shade not sure. No idea, and I can't check because my phone is on there, but I'll put it all on the screen. I'll link it down below, and I'll also put the price on. But I'm gonna show you, so this is the matte side. It looks kind of like lip gloss. It's quite pink. I don't think I would actually use that side. I don't know if you could use it as lipstick, but it's interesting. But I think this is the side that I'm going to be using. Yeah, so it's more of like a goldy colour. Can you see? Yeah, I don't really know. Are you meant to put the matte one? Just see what that happens if I put the gold over the matte. No, I don't think that's what you're meant to do. But I'm going to use that side because it's really pretty. Just wipe that off. Right, so here goes nothing. I'm going to just kind of, don't know where I'm going to put it. Maybe just like on the lid. Or see how well. Might just do like a little. What should I do on the other way? No. Just go. I do not have a steady hand. We're going for all over the lid, but I'm just going to blend it in, maybe. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go into my B palette and just take a little bit of a colour through my socket a little bit, like a little brush like this. I'm gonna go into the shade Buff and a little bit of Delicious and just kind of like buff that through my crease. I think it looks strange now because I haven't got any foundation on, but it's working and it really gives like a pretty colour. I'm going to go back in and just darken up the eyeliner because that's what I want to be most prominent. Okay, I'm going to go do the other eye and I'll be coming right back. I'm actually going to do the deepening up of this first, just so then it doesn't kind of go weird, but I'm actually really into this. I think once I've got a bit of foundation on, this bit here won't look as strange. But I'm going to go and finish this eye and I'll come right back. So, finish the face for now. I'm going to go in with my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline one. Just going to apply a little layer. No, just to the top lashes for now. I need to do the bottom. So for the bottom, I'm going to go in with a nude eyeliner in the lower lashes. So just applying that into the waterline. Okay, and then to smoke out the bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my angled brush, so this one that I used, and I'm going to go into the shade Lava Rock and Delicious and just run that closely to the lower lash line. Just kind of adding a little bit of a kind of shadow in a way. And then I'm going to go into with this brush, which had the colour on that I kind of diffused the this bit here. I'm just going to kind of blend underneath my lash line, so it's not too smoky, but it's just that kind of finished look. I'm going to finish off putting my mascara on. So then I'm going to apply some lashes, and the lashes are the wispy ones, just some regular wispy lashes. Could do with a tweezer. I'm just going to apply these like normal onto my eyelids, lashes lids. I'm going to let that one dry whilst I put the other one on. These are my favourite lashes. Not a huge fan of eyelashes, but I do like these ones because they kind of are a little bit more natural than some others. Just gonna put a bit of glue on there. Lashes on, just. I'm gonna then put a bit of mascara on the lower lashes. I think that with these kind of lashes, having a bit of mascara on the bottom really helps balance them out. Okay, now lips. Nothing crazy, just get a lip liner. Just find a lipstick. not keen. Too pink. Might actually go for red, seeing as though this is a Christmas look. Hit you with the red. Why not? So here is the finished look using the Collection matte and metallic liquid eyeshadow. So this is a really quick and easy kind of Christmas look, which I can't believe we're saying Christmas already. It doesn't seem 5 minutes since it was Christmas last time, and I mean, I know we are only in the middle of November, but Christmas parties and things, this look would be perfect. As it is quite subtle, like it's just kind of like a smoky eyeshadow with a bit of glitter, and obviously the lip choice is optional. This would look nice with a nude lip or a red if that's what you like. So yeah, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've also been uploading a few shorts onto my channel, which are just like little videos of like makeup, fashion, that kind of thing. So yeah, don't forget to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, share around, and I'll see you on Sunday with another video. Thanks for watching. Start and finish the video the same way. Adios.